Hi traders, quite some day, so let's just catch up with these charts. It just goes to show you, just trade the charts, just focus on the charts, because that was a massive area of resistance. That's a weekly pivot up there. Touched that weekly pivot and just came straight off. There was a 60-minute reversal bar up there. It didn't go that high, but it was a 60-minute bar just under that 835. And then we just spent the rest of the day just coming off it. It's non-farm payroll tomorrow and options expiring, so be careful. If we break these lows, I think we could really start to come down. The beauty of these charts is this: if you miss a move, there's always another day. This is obviously a key area. We've hit this trend line up here, and we've sold off here before. But be very, very cautious tomorrow, because non-farm payroll, it's Friday, it's non-farm payroll, it's options expiry. It's going to be rocky. It's going to be very rocky, so be careful. The euro is sitting right on this support. So we spiked down to I think it's the daily 200 down there, and it's the channel as well. Because if you put draw charts on that's badly drawn, but we're coming to a channel there. If we start to break this 376 area, and of course the low is the 300, then we're going to come down. What we might just shuffle sideways for now. The Eurozone have dropped their rates to 0.25%, same as the US. So the UK has now got relatively high rates at 0.5%. So I will be very cautious. Not sure I'm going to trade tomorrow with all this conspiring against us. I think it could be very choppy, and as always next week. But on the face of it, that obviously we're sitting on major support here. We've closed, had this drop. So this is now a major area resistance. It's about 134.80, 135. Of course, if we come down, retest this level here, and fail tomorrow, then we're going to wind the tail down. I would be very cautious to stay put. That looks like a spinning top on the pound US dollar. So that will suggest we're going to see some downdrafts, but some possible move down to, who knows, all the way down to 159. But there again, if we break 161.15, we could just bust up. So when you can't see a setup, leave it alone. But the yen has seen a lot of strength. The Nikkei dipped and it took the yen with it. Okay, so we're sitting on the trend line, but that is, it's a very bearish move on 158 now, is a big area of resistance. So I took my US dollar yen off at the high. So just like the euro is, closing lower, this US dollar CAD is closing higher. I did take the US dollar yen off at that high up there, but that now looks pretty ill. That's a major area of resistance. You see this? We're in this wedge, we're in this apex. So we start breaking 97.64. That could come all the way to. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so I am probably not going to trade tomorrow. I'm going to stand aside. This is a very rocky market. I would be tempted to tell you what. This will be my plan for tomorrow. This is the Dow on the 60-minute chart. See this massive area of fib support here. RSI is low. I would wait until the data is out, wait until the Dow is open, and if I do see any pullbacks to an area like 640, I would get short. Otherwise, I would just stay. Otherwise, I'm just going to stay out of it. Okay, so it's a sit on your hands day. Unless you're very experienced and you can really manage yourself in a market like this. Otherwise, be careful, and let's just prepare for next week. Hope that helps, and see you soon.